Pole barns, also known as pole buildings or post frame construction, have been used for agricultural and commercial purposes since the 1930s. The concept of pole barns originated in the United States and has since spread to other countries around the world. The history of pole barns is closely tied to the history of agriculture in the United States. They were originally developed as a low-cost alternative to traditional barns, which were often made of brick or stone and required a large amount of labor to construct. Pole barns allowed farmers to easily and quickly build large, functional buildings on their land. Today, pole barns continue to be an important part of the agricultural landscape and are widely used in many other settings. Pole barns got their names because of the use of large poles as the primary support structure. Today's barns are built with posts, often laminated for strength and dimensional consistency. The posts can be set into the ground 4 feet with a concrete cookie. Increasingly, post frame construction uses concrete footers or foundations. Poles are spaced several feet apart with wooden girts spanning between the posts. Trusses attached to the wall and 2x4 purlins run parallel to support the roof, which is typically steel. The walls also commonly use steel, but can use other materials. The space between the poles is typically filled with insulation. Concrete floors are not required, but can be poured after construction. Pole barns are popular because they are relatively inexpensive to build, easy to customize, and can be constructed quickly. They are often used for storage, workshops, garages, and other types of buildings. Today, post frame construction is used for homes and barn combinations. These are commonly called barndominiums. This type of use is subject to local building codes, and a lending institution that specializes in non-conventional home loans may be required. Post frame construction is here to stay. Shorter construction times, wide open expanses, and reasonable use of materials will surely expand the many and varied uses of this method of construction.